Hey, what's going on, guys? Brothers. We talked before about part one, two silent hormones that are, compressing your testosterone and your prostate, and that's insulin and cortisol. So today I want to go with part two, how to fix it naturally. And most men, most men believe that their testosterone is low because they're getting older. Yeah, maybe, but it's also maybe because you're stress eating donuts at midnight, getting 4 hours of sleep a night. So that ain't age now. That's a lifestyle. So it's primarily your lifestyle, and that's fixable. So when your insulin stays high, it fuels inflammation in your entire body, and it fuels prostate growth. When your cortisol stays high, stress hormone, fight or flight, it compresses testosterone production, and it raises your estrogen levels, and that hormonal whirlpool, that's your prostate. It inflames because of that. It's the hormones, right? And research has shown like approximately 40% of American adults, men and women, age 18 to 44, that's like, 4 in 10? They display markers of insulin resistance, even without any type of type 2 diabetes diagnosis. So it's a real epidemic almost. So, the first thing you got to do is balance your blood sugar, blood glucose levels. You got to cut out the refined carbs, and then no snacking. You got to stop at dinner. Dinner, that's it. Do this for a few weeks. You see the difference. Eat clean proteins, healthy fats, fiber. Avocados, ground flaxseed. Step 2, you gotta lower your stress, man. You gotta get more sleep. Walk outside more. Do some deep breathing. Stop living in fight or flight mode. That's a real thing, and you don't discount it because you can't see it, the effect. You can't see it, but your body's feeling and producing the effects, the symptoms. Okay. Work out. Do some strength training. Step 3, do strength training. That's going to be a huge ally for you in decreasing your insulin sensitivity and bringing your cortisol down. Working out. And let me give you some food. Step 4, focus on high cuts of wild caught salmon, avocado, broccoli, pumpkin seeds. You get the Alaskan salmon, right? The sockeye salmon. Get the high quality stuff. It's going to help you bring your inflammation down, balance your insulin, and support prostate and testosterone health. So now we can say, let's get healthy.